Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another styling try on haul. Today we are doing H&M. So it's been a minute since I've done an H&M haul. I did a lot for the fall and winter, and by a lot I think I did 2 or 3 maybe, but I'm so excited for spring. Give me all the light wash denim, the bright colors, the yellow, the fun. Oh, ready for spring. So ready for spring. But I wanted to pick up some new pieces, let you guys know what they have in. I'm gonna style each piece a couple different ways so you can see the versatility of it and decide if you wanna pick it up. Like always, everything will be linked down below, all of the pieces that I show, sizes, as well as any additional accessories or any other things that I use to create the outfits that aren't H&M will be linked. And then sizing and all that will also be there in case you're curious for a comparison. So let's get into it. I'm super excited. I got some super cute pieces, so yeah, let's do this. All right, starting with denim. So I grabbed these. I love, one of my favorite pairs of jeans is their H&M mom jean. I wear them whenever I wear jeans. I'm obsessed with them. You guys know I pretty much show them in every single styling video. Ironically, I did not show them in this video because I got a lot of jeans from H&M, but I just was like, well, maybe if I love those so much, maybe I'll try another pair. So I decided to do the mom jean. This is the loose mom jean, the ultra high rise, ankle length. Yeah, it is loose fitting. So it's going to give you sort of like a baggy feeling in the crotch, but it's not like too big where I'm like, oh, I could never wear them. I would say just size down if you want a little bit more of a fitted look, but baggy jeans are in right now and I kind of really like them. They're so comfortable. You don't feel like you're like a corset, like sucked in so much that you can't even move. I love the light wash on these. There's no distressing. I love the ankle cut. I think the ankle cut is one of my favorites. Even when wearing skinny jeans, I would always cuff them up to make them look an ankled look. I don't know, I just like it, especially for spring with sandals, with, what else? Sneakers, I don't know, I just prefer an ankle fit. These are really nice. They're super soft. They're not stretchy at all. They're very rigid denim, but they're loose. So I would say size down. I'm curious to try a 2 in these. I got them in a 4. So I'm curious to try a 2 to see if I like them. So when I go into the store, I might look and see if they have these in a 2 to just kind of see what the fit looks like. But overall, I like it. It fits my waist really nicely. It's a little baggy in the crotch area and then like it's looser in the booty, but that's the look that I think they're going for. So keep that in mind if you're looking for a loose fitted or a loose fitting pair of jeans. Yeah, I enjoyed these. I think they're nice. I love the color. Like a medium light wash for spring summer is super cute. Okay, this next piece, you guys, I literally was like, these remind me of being a grandma, but I do not care. I think it's the cutest thing in the world. It's this sunglasses. I don't actually know what it's called, but it also reminds me of frat boys mixed with grandma. So you hook these on the end of your sunglasses, put them on. You can go in the front or you go behind, and so it'll look kind of like earrings or like a necklace situation. It's just such a like fun feminine accessory. I love this. In the little daisies, I can't. It's 10 bucks. I think it's so cute. It's so precious. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like, I don't know, this is the only way that I would wear like a sunglass holder if it was cute and more of, I don't know, accessory instead of like a rubber band situation, but this is precious. I loved this. You need this for spring. Okay, I've been on the hunt for yellow. I failed with Shein, failed with Old Navy for yellow. H&M, this is the perfect color yellow. I still want a shirt and not just a sweater, but this is the perfect like Easter bunny yellow or Easter chick yellow sweater. It's soft, it's so lightweight. I love the little tortoiseshell buttons. I think it's super cute. I love cardigans like this because you can wear them by themselves, just like with a pair of jeans, high-waisted, or you can pair it underneath or over the top of a bodysuit. So super versatile. I love a cropped little cardigan. I just think it's super cute and I love that it can be a whole top in itself. Yeah, this is pretty. I love the yellow. I'm a sucker for yellow right now, and I'm embracing the fact that I thought I could never wear it, and I'm just saying, oh wow, I love it. So super, super cute. They have these in a bunch of different colors, super affordable. So yes, love that I was able to find the perfect pastel yellow for the springtime. Okay, you guys know, if you know me at all, you know I love a good button down. I needed a fresh linen one for this summer because I wear them as cover-ups a lot as well, like over the top of my bikini or bathing suit, whatever your situation is. And mine had a little bit of some pit stains in it. I've had it forever, TMI, don't care, but I just wanted a nice fresh one. And I love this linen one. So I did get it in a medium because I wanted it to be a bit oversized, and it's perfect. I love this. Like I said, it goes with every single swimsuit you could possibly imagine. You can leave it unbuttoned, buttoned, throw on shorts with it, make it an outfit. You can obviously fully make this a standalone outfit, but I love these for cover-ups, especially this linen material. This will sell out quick. I feel like H&M button-ups sell out very, very quickly, so pick it up while you can. But I love a fresh linen for bathing suit cover-ups, but also just with an outfit. So this sweater, I had to pick up this sweatshirt because it's not a sweatshirt. Yes, it's a sweatshirt. It's not a hoodie. It's a sweatshirt, a crew neck sweatshirt. It's got fleece inside of it. This just reminded me of Abercrombie with the little Manhattan tennis club situation. I love this fun pop of green. I think it's so pretty and it would look really nice with tan skin. But overall, like, just how springy is this? It's like a spring green. I love green, one of my favorite colors. And I just thought, like, for how affordable it was, it's like a dupe for Abercrombie. It's so soft, it's like the perfect length, and yeah, I really like it. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, not dress it up, but you can make it look more like day-to-day versus athleisure wear. I used to wear button-ups underneath my sweatshirts all the time when I was in high school. I feel like that was a very preppy trend. And then some shorts and probably Ugg boots, but I did not go that far this time. Or you can wear it super like athleisure with a tennis skirt or over the top of one of those tennis dresses. Super cute. Love this color specifically for spring. I think it's gonna be really popular. And honestly, the quality is really good for the price. I was surprised. But if it's something like a trend that you want to get on that you're just like, I can't justify spending that much at Abercrombie because I'm not going to wear it all the time, try this version. Okay, this is a bit different, but if you guys know, I am actually moving to Chicago and I feel like our spring is going to be a little cooler. Same thing with our fall than what I'm used to here, which I'm excited about because I get to dress a little bit differently. Because here it's just like 50 to 100 real quick, and there's no seasons in between. But I got this little jacket thing. It's super cute. It comes with a little tie waist. I love the structure of this. I think this would be a great like workwear outfit. It's so pretty. I love the cream, the quality, and the like sturdiness of this is like next level. It comes with a tie, so you can tie the waist or you can tie it in the back and leave it open. The only thing I will say is the sleeves are like a tiny bit too long. So I'm going to see if an extra small like shortens the sleeves a bit, because if that's the case, I'll get it in an extra small because I did get it in a small. You can size down. This is a pretty larger item. And even if you wanted to layer thicker clothes underneath it, you could still size down because it's got room to grow. I love this. You can wear it like more casual, or you can dress it up a little bit with some loafers. But yeah, I think this is a really nice piece. I was really surprised. This gives me like Banana Republic sort of vibes. It's so structured, so beautiful. Love this cream for the spring. You can wear black underneath it, white underneath it, or you could go colorful. But I think it's just a great basic, and I think you would really love this if you worked and you had like to go outside or do things like that, because I think it's a nice like workwear, cute outfit, topper, jacket situation. I don't know. I love it. It gives me trench coat vibes, but like cropped, but cute. Love it. Okay, this sweater I love. I love the little embroidered flowers. I will say that it doesn't have the embroidered flowers on the back. I knew that when I bought it. Just saying, I wish it did. It's not that big of a deal. It's got green and pink flowers throughout. So cute. It's cropped. You can wear this with shorts. You can wear this with jeans. I don't know. I fell in love with it. It gives me very like hippie sort of vibes. And oh, it's two different colored greens, like a green and then like an olivey sort of green. But this is so pretty. This just screams springtime to me. And yeah, I love this. It is a little itchy and it is not like a fully, like you can see through it a little bit, keep that in mind, but nothing where I'm like, oh, I would be super uncomfortable in it. And if you are, you could always wear a bodysuit underneath, but it's not like itchy where I'm like, get this off of me situation. It's just not like the softest material. I wish it was as soft as the yellow one, but it's not, but I don't care. It's cute. I love the flower detail. So girly, so cute. I grabbed another linen top. Again, I don't have a linen top in this blue stripes. I have a ton of blue striped shirts, but I don't have one in linen. I did get this in a small because I wanted it more of just like a t-shirt and not lengthwise for like a bathing suit cover up, but you could wear this as a cover up as well. I love a good linen shirt. I love blue stripes. Nothing more summer, spring than blue stripes and linen. So this is super cute. Again, you can kind of dress this more casual, throw it on with some joggers. I love throwing blue on with like green, like an olive green. I think it's just really pretty and pops. But yeah, so cute. I love this. I love this blue. It's a perfect like oceany blue. And yeah, really nice quality for linen. I'm a fan. Just be mindful, linen wrinkles super easy, so keep a steamer on hand because you're gonna need one. Okay, I saw these on the model and I fell in love with them and on her. And for me, I'm like, they're okay. They're nothing like write home about. I have something very similar from Abercrombie that will make me probably not keep these. They are comfortable. They're super stretchy. They've got 2 rip holes in these. If you don't have anything similar to this, then definitely pick them up. They're a really affordable price and they're a straight leg denim, ankle sort of fit. What are their straight high waist? That's all it says. Oh, ankle length. Yep. I got these in a 6. I did size up in these. I don't know why. I think maybe the reviews said they were small. I would not go to true size. I would size up. I feel like H&M jeans are so finicky. Like you either need to stay true to size or size up. So I'm anywhere from a 6 to a 4 in them, and I got the 6 in this, and I feel like they fit nicely. I just already have something similar to them, and they didn't wow me as much as they did when I saw them on the model. Don't we hate when that happens, but it is what it is. Okay, this. I fell in love with pink when I did my recent Abercrombie haul. Y'all saw I got a pink dress, a pink shirt. I like pinked out and I can't be more happy about it. I feel like I just have never been a colors sort of girl and I fell in love with pink. I think I just stayed away from pink because it made me feel like a Barbie. I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I mean. Like blonde hair pink can just be like too much, but I don't care. I love it. I love this oversized shirt. And when I say this is oversized, it is oversized. I got an extra small and it is still very, very, very oversized. If something says it's oversized, I pretty much always size down, especially in H&M and Zara because their clothes are just huge. But this is super cute. I love like a loose big button up. I just do. Throw on like a purse and some Birkenstocks. It's just that effortless chic vibe. Button-ups are too perfect. You can also throw it over the top of a bodysuit. This white bodysuit that I show throughout this video, you need it. If you do not have it, you need it. It's from Abercrombie. It's just like a classic basic layering piece, specifically for the summer. Is gonna be amazing. So if you haven't picked that up yet, highly recommend it. But I love this pink. I like the smaller pinstripes. I think it's more like subtle than like the big stripes of the blue. But yes, this is super cute. It's very, very oversized, but it's super cute. Okay, these jeans, I don't know. I wanted to love these. Wanted to love these a lot. You'll have to let me know in the comments down below. I wanted a wide leg jean that were cropped. And I don't know if they work for me, but these are the wide high waist ankle length comfort stretch jeans. I did get these in a size 6. I think they fit well in terms of like the waist and everything. They're not too small or too big. I just feel like the length is like awkward. I know that's how it's supposed to be. You'll just have to let me know. I'm kind of on the fence about them. I like the trend. I think it's super cute, but I just don't know if it works for me. I struggle with what shoes to wear with it, honestly. I feel like I can't wear my Converse with them, but they are wide. I love the distressed frayed edges. They're a stretchy fit, so they're super comfortable, and I love this medium wash, no rips in it, but I just don't know if I can get with the wide trend. It's cute. I just don't know if it's for me. Okay, last piece, some denim shorts. I've tried to step out of my comfort zone of Abercrombie because those are the only denim shorts I've worn since I was in middle school, you guys. I love their denim shorts, but I saw these and they looked really cute. I love a good cuff at the bottom, and these are like a stitched cuff, so they're not gonna roll. These are like an A-line fit in the sense of they're tight at the waist and they kind of almost bevel out a little bit, or like flare out a little bit, and they're super flattering in that sense. These are very, very stretchy. The leg holes are super wide and like forgiving, so when you sit down, you don't like end up with sausage legs like sucked in, and I don't know, you know what I mean. It's uncomfortable. I don't care what it looks like, it's just not comfortable. So these are cute. These are a basic staple fit. They're more of a medium wash, no distressing, no sort of like heathering or anything on them. The other thing that's kind of weird on these two jeans that I've noticed, where is this one? Ooh. And I'll have to see if the other ones do this. Is this a trend where you just see one? Is that like a thing with H&M now? Apparently it's a thing, just one of them. It looks like they fell off, but yeah, it's kind of strange. And then this has got like, I just realized this, but it's got the like copper and then it's got silver. Not that that's that big of an issue, but it's very strange. This is all copper with silver. I don't know. I just don't know about that one little thing. I completely forgot about that, but it's weirding me out a little bit. But overall, these shorts are really cute. I got these in a size 4. They're the Mom Ultra High Rise, high waist short, super flattering, super cute. Yeah, really great pair of basic denim. I love H&M denims. I think it's probably one of my favorites besides Abercrombie. But yeah, I don't know, you'll have to sound off. Sound off in the comments about specifically the wide leg pants. Those, I just don't know. Where are we at? I don't know. But if you do not have a fresh white linen shirt, snatch that up. You need it. It's really good. So that is everything that I got from H&M. I loved styling their new spring clothes. They have so much cute stuff out right now. So if you've not checked it out, go ahead and click on some links down below, browse, see what you can find. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Like always, let me know other brands you want to see. We have, what's next? We have a Shein one next. We have an Everlane one coming up, another Abercrombie. We've got so much good stuff going on. But as always, sound off in the comments down below as to what brand you want to see next. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, you guys.